Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to insert charts in MS Word. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to add, style, and edit charts easily inside your documents. So let's get started. First, open MS Word on your computer. Now, go to the Insert tab at the top. Then click on the Charts option. A window will appear. Now choose the chart you want and click OK. As you can see, the chart has been added to your document. If you want to change the chart style, click on the brush icon and select any style you like. If you want to change the chart colors, click on the color option, then choose the color theme you prefer. Now you can see the chart color and style are updated. If you want to resize the chart, simply drag the corners to adjust the size. And if you want to edit the data, click on the chart, then click Edit Data. Here, you can modify the values. For example, Series 1, Series 2, Series 3. Make your changes, and you're done. And that's it. You've learned how to insert charts in MS Word. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more MS Word tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.